Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, I'd like to introduce you to our Bachelor's in Business Administration, offered by the International Open University. You might ask, why Bachelor's in Business Administration? We can get that in any university around the world. There are universities, so many universities teaching it. Why would the International Open University engage in this field when it is fundamentally an Islamic university? Well, reality is that business administration or business management can be taught in different ways. And the way it's taught in most universities around the world is from a purely secular point of view. And what happens with this purely secular point of view is that the ethics, the ethical principles are not given their proper due. So what the International Open University seeks to do and does for our students is that we give them that Islamic ethical foundation. As the Prophet ﷺ had said, I was only sent to perfect for you the highest of moral character traits. So all of our subjects in the BBA are taught from an Islamic perspective. Of course, all the principles of economics and business and administration, etc., these are there. They've not been removed. However, the ethical side is present throughout all of the course of study. So we invite Muslims in particular, or even non-Muslims, to study with us this ethical approach. So please take this opportunity to join the International Open University, whose fees are so low. There's no excuse for anyone not to be able to access it. Join us, be a part of the IOU family. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
لا إله